So 18 overs gone, 129 for the loss of 5 wickets. Chennai Rhinos. New man at the crease, Prithvi, has got a task in hand. 12 legal deliveries left in this innings. Can they cross that 145 mark? Suddenly they have just lost their way here, Chennai Rhinos. At one point of time, they were 180 for the loss of 1 wicket. This was the last wicket to fall, the wicket of Ramana. But by the substitute fielder and the bowler, he was delighted. Abhimanyu picking his second wicket. As we were mentioning, Sabab Sudhir, well, he's done a fantastic job for his captain. Bowling his last over, he's conceding 13 runs so far and 2 wickets. 2 very important wickets.
That's Mr. Vishnu, the owner of CCL. Must be a pleased man. He has done a great job. He and his whole side, whole team has done a wonderful job in organizing this event. It has been a huge success so far. First time they took it offshore. We had the inaugural games in Sharjah. There it turned out to be a good a game. So many people turned out for that match. We had a wonderful inaugural ceremony. Young man with some very innovative ideas, and this property has done quite well and bodes well for CCL season 2. Great plans in his head for coming season. We'll have to wait and watch. But it's been such a wonderful experience.
Well, that struck hard, and once again a very good effort in the field. They're giving all, saving all these precious runs. Will definitely matter in the end. That was a good strike from Prithvi. Was the slot for him.
He's bowling his full length delivery straight into the block hole, Sudhir. So it's not easy for the batsman to get underneath those deliveries and play the big shots. Good work, great commitment, and that's the best part which I have seen in this season, Ajay. There's been passion, there's been so much of commitment, dedicated effort from the players. GRV as part of this Karnataka Bulldozer side, he expects this kind of effort from the players. All the fans, all the brand ambassadors sitting there, the owner Mr. Kemi. The Bulldozers, they have come back. The last 2.54 overs, they have taken 4 wickets and have conceded only 15 runs. A good effort once again. It just fell short of the fielder there. They run to a chance of a run out. He goes upstairs, the umpire. We'll have to wait and watch.
Yeah, in the end, it was a good throw, in fact. That could be a tight call because in the end, the batsman was diving for his life. You see Sudhir collecting very neatly and then just taking the bails off. That could be touch and go. Just feel the benefit of doubt could go in favor of the batsman. Just sliding his bat at the very end. The important thing the third umpire will note is when did the bails come off? Bails have to come off the groove. At that point of time, he was just slightly in.
There we go again. Sudhir wasn't aware that there was a run-out chance, so he collected the ball in front of the wicket. So he had to turn and then break the stumps. The bat is still in the air, so the umpire has to see when the bails come off the groove, or whether the bat has been grounded or is it still in the air. Oh, it looks as if from this angle the bat is in the air. So there is some confusion in the mind of the third umpire. There we see now it comes down, but before that, one more frame before this, seems that the bat was in the air. Maybe very tight call. Still waiting, still waiting. Good work by the fielder there. Desperate attempt by the batsman. Waiting for the decision. Your call, Ajay.
Well, definitely very tight, and in the end could probably go in favor of the fielding side, and the ball was in the air, and that's the reason he's got to walk back. And that's another breakthrough achieved by Karnataka Bulldozers. They have been very, very impressive on the field. Balaji, the man out, for just one, couldn't do much. It's 134 for 6. So 6 wicket falling for Chennai Rhinos, 134 for the loss of 6 wickets. Man on strike, Prithvi. This has been once again a very good over. Once again playing in the air, wide of the fielder. Running the first one hard and coming back for the second. Couple of runs to end the over. 136 for 6.